In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download previously purchased apps if you've bought or downloaded an app before on Google Play and you want to get it back on your device. The process is actually very simple. This is especially helpful if you've switched phones, reset your device, or accidentally deleted an app and now want to reinstall it without searching through the entire Play Store again. To begin, open the Google Play Store on your device. Make sure you're signed in to the same Google account that was originally used to purchase or download the app. That part is important because your previous purchases and app history are connected to that account. Once you're in the Play Store, go to your profile by tapping your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. From there, tap Manage Apps and Device. This section gives you access to apps currently on your phone, along with apps connected to your account history. After that, tap Manage. This will take you to a list of apps associated with your Google Play account. If you're looking for something you used to have but don't currently see on your phone, this is the right place to continue. Next, choose Not Installed. This filter is useful because it shows apps that are linked to your account but are not currently installed on the device you're using. In other words, it helps narrow the list so you can focus only on apps you may want to restore. Once you select Not Installed, you'll see all of the uninstalled apps from your account history. Scroll through the list and look for the app you previously purchased in the Google Play Store. Depending on how many apps you've downloaded over time, this list may be long, so take a moment to carefully check the names. When you find the app you want, you can proceed from its listing to download it again. If the app is still available on Google Play and compatible with your current device, you should be able to reinstall it without needing to purchase it again. One quick tip, if you don't see the app you're looking for, double check that you're using the correct Google account. Also keep in mind that some older apps may no longer appear if they've been removed from Google Play or are not supported on newer Android versions. And that's it. By opening the Play Store, going to your profile, selecting Manage Apps and Device, tapping Manage, and switching to Not Installed, you can quickly find and access previously purchased apps on your account.